Hello everyone, welcome to How To channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add threads to your Instagram bio. Now guys, have you mistakenly deleted your threads badge and you want to get it back? You want it added to your Instagram bio? Now stay to the end of this tutorial. Now at first you want to go to your profile icon at the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Now when you get there, as you can see on my bio, there is no threads badge. Now what do I do to add back these threads to my Instagram bio? Now I'm just going to head over to my threads application. Now as you can see, it is the same profile both on Instagram and on threads. Now all I want to do is to tap on share profile. Now I'm going to be copying the URL of this threads profile, and then I'll head over to my Instagram and then tap on edit. Now I'm going to go to links and then I'm going to add external link and then paste the URL I just copied over here and create my own title. So I'm going to tap on my threads. Now I'm going to just save that up, and as you can see guys, this URL or our threads has been added back to our Instagram bio. So when you tap on links, you get to see my threads there, and then when I tap on my threads, it takes me over to the thread application, my profile on the thread application, and as you can see, this is what it's looking like. So guys, this is how you add threads to your Instagram bio. Now thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to How To channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.